Formnext International Exhibition and Conference today. We are exhibiting for the first time because we are launching our products today. One-click metal BOLD series consisting of the M-Print, M-Pure and the accompanying software M-Prep. I'm very excited how the next couple of days will be, so let's see how it goes.
One-click metal, very similar to Autodesk, is trying to take very high-end applications and make it available for everybody. So we are trying to do it with our CAD software system, and One-click metal is trying to do this with their machines. And I think this makes a lot of sense to combine the two products.
We see the perfect match with one-click metal in these kind of machine size and price range, because every metal shop on the world can use these kind of machine because it's not too expensive and it's very easy to use.
I think what One-Click Metal and Additive Lab have in common is that we both try to create very accessible, very affordable solutions in order to help the additive manufacturing market advancing.
So Formnext is offering a great opportunity for us to, on the one side, test the market and also acquire first customers, because we're a new company and we're really excited to show our product, and well, this week was our big launch and we got really amazing feedback so far. So people tell us that we're doing the right thing, and that's really great to hear after all the hard work the team put into this. We were really excited about this year, but we were even more excited what the next year will bring, and we will definitely be back next year. So we're looking forward to that.